In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a game pass on Roblox on your mobile phone. So you can do this using the application, or you can also do it straight from your browser. You can just go to your browser and type create.roblox.com and you're going to be redirected to the Creator Hub in order to do that. Or you can just open your Roblox application and at the bottom menu, click on More. Scroll up and click on Create in order to open the Creator Hub. So when you do that, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Creations. Make sure you are on the Experience tab. By default, you're going to have this experience. If you have multiple experiences, just click on the experience for which you want to create a game pass. So when you click on it, click on the menu icon again and then scroll down to where you have monetization and click on Passes. Click on Create a Pass. You have the option to upload an image, but it's optional. So if you don't have an image, then its default image will be used. You just need to name your pass. Let's name it Game Pass 2. Also, you can add a description for your game pass, which is also optional. So when you're done filling your information, click on Create Pass and your game pass is going to be created. You can see ours here has been created. To see all the information of your pass, you can just scroll through this table. We can see here that our game price is not on sale. So if you want to sell this game pass, you just need to click on it and then click again on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Sales. So under the price, you're going to have a button here. Just toggle it on in order to place this game pass on sale. You need to add a price. Let's set this game pass for 40 Robux. And also you need to note that you only keep 70% of this. When you're done, click on Save Changes. Your game pass has been added on sale. So we just put our game pass on sale. If you scroll through this table now, you're going to see the current price of our game pass is now 40 Robux. Also, if you want to create a link for this game pass, you just need to click anywhere on the row and then when you see these 3 dots, click on it. You can open this in a new tab in order to view your Robux on sale, or you can just click on Copy URL right here in order to copy the link of this game pass.